What we're actually going to do is a magic hug.
I've seen your TikTok.
You seen it? You seen it? You know what's happening next?
Yes, I think so.
So I'm going to come in here. Hey, you already got the Y strap, so if you can handle that one, you can handle them all. So you're just going to let that shoulder fall, okay? I just want you to let that left shoulder fall all the way into my hand. There it is. Woo! Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. I had to do a double pump on you because that first one, I felt it kind of move, but that second one was
Yes.
where all of that came in. She doesn't believe that it's going to make a sound. So we're going to come in here. So we're going to open up the eustachian tube. Just like that. Open. Good.